Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
Think of your fellow man, lifted my helping hand, put a little love in your heart. You see it's getting late, oh please don't hesitate, put a little love in your heart. And the world will be a better place, and the world will be a better place for you and me. Just wait and see. Another day goes by and still the children cry. Put a little love in your heart. If you want the world to know, we won't let hatred show. Put a little love in your heart. And the world will be a better place. And the world will be a
Hello, my name is Malia, and I play the flute in Band 3. All of our students at Oak have been working hard this year, despite the challenges of distance learning. Our Band 1 students have had probably the most difficult challenge of trying to learn how to play an instrument from scratch without any past musical experience, just by learning over Zoom. They have come so far, from learning how to open up their cases and putting their instruments together to now being able to read and play music. They've done an awesome job.
Hello, my name is Chloe Tong, and I play the violin in Orchestra 3. Orchestra 3 has been working hard as well. We have not only worked on advancing our skills to a higher level, but also prepared and recorded 2 pieces for the online holiday concert. We prepared, recorded, and edited our productions of the different chamber music pieces. Finally, we are preparing our online spring concert, where we will also honor many of our family and relatives who are essential workers this year. In spite of all the challenges, we are thankful we have been able to participate in orchestra and look forward to better times next year.
Hi, my name is Sydney Nguyen and I am from Mrs. Zamora's Period 6 Media Lit class. She taught us how these major social media companies are tracking our every move. We end up getting sucked into the internet and end up procrastinating and ignoring our duties we have in everyday life. These major social media companies end up benefiting off our click and views because we end up seeing the ads they display and they make money from the ads. We made our own cause marketing ad, which is an ad that advertises a good cause and the company is able to benefit from it. She made learning and doing activities fun in class even though we are stuck inside this year. So thank you, Ms. Zamora, for being my teacher.
For my film studies class, I like to focus on the 1980s films that gives the students a chance to look for character archetypes where they discuss movie themes and they identify moral lessons and compare the differences of perspective.